You saw that interview, right? Ricky Reyes, Renee Salud said LGBTQIA plus people are overboarding.
This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Ngayon, ang dami nang nagre-react dun sa interview nila Mama Ricky tsaka nila Mama Rene Salud. And tignan natin kung ano sinasabi nila.
And nakakalungkot, no? Kasi I'm trying also my best to be a good ally, the best ally, and not just in passing. And when I think about it, sobrang it hurts more that it came from people within the community because that's internalized homophobia.
So apparently, Ricky Reyes and Rene Salud is now homophobic or are experiencing internalized homophobia? Really? Ricky Reyes and Rene Salud, who helped tons of gays to have a better life? Really?
And that's what happens when you get used to shrinking yourself, and then you get offended when others refuse to do the same. And to Tony, you didn't just post a conversation. All right, fine. It was just, a portion of the interview, but it magnified so many issues. You platformed erasure, you aired it in Pride Month, and then you let them speak na hindi mo sila chine-check, and